In 5G and upcoming 6G research, creating a stable and reproducible test environment is always a major challenge. The TMYTEK UE Connectivity Platform is designed to solve exactly that. By integrating the OAI software framework with TMYTEK's hardware, researchers can test and verify the interaction among gNB, UE, and RIS in a single environment. Whether it's beamforming, channel characterization, RIS control, or protocol testing, everything can be done quickly and consistently. The setup starts from the core network, followed by FlexRic and gNB, bringing the entire 5G link online. At the front end, UDBox, BBox, and X410 operate on the N257 band, delivering a stable throughput around 20 Mbps. The RIS operates below 28 GHz with both incident and reflection angles at 40 degrees, allowing researchers to precisely study beam reflection and signal propagation. Through TMYTEK WebTLK and API control, every component, gNB, UE, and RIS, can be programmed and synchronized for a fully customizable experiment. TMYTEK UE Connectivity Platform, open, flexible, and programmable. Focus on your research and accelerate your journey into the future of wireless innovation.
Remember to subscribe, like, and ring the bell.